the shoes heaven made for me. Walking through life's trials and triumphs, stepping into my purpose and destiny. God's perfect fit for me and my journey. This is dedicated to the least of us who feel their path seems hard, but do not yet see God has them wearing shoes that were made perfectly for their paths. Be encouraged. Dr. Georgia Session. Before I took my first step, before breath met my body, before my name was whispered into time, He measured me. Not just my feet, but my frame, my future, and my fractures. He measured my tears before they ever failed, my victories before they were ever called, my calling before I ever questioned it. And then He made my shoes, not borrowed, not duplicated, not mass-produced for comfort or comparison, but crafted, stitched with purpose, lined with grace, formed in the quiet wisdom of a God who knew exactly where I would have to walk. Now these shoes, they fit the road I didn't choose. They fit the valleys I cried through. They fit the doors that didn't open and the ones I trembled to walk through. They were shaped in my why, Lord, molded in my how long, refined in my this doesn't make sense. Because the path shaped the feet, and the feet shaped the shoes. There were seasons I tried to trace them, reaching for someone else's stride, envying someone else's path, forcing my feet into shoes never designed to carry my weight. Oh, but they pinched, they bruised, they slowed me down. Because what fits them cannot carry me, and what carries me was never designed for me. Not everyone can walk what I walk. Not everyone can bear what I can. Not everyone can stand where I stand. Because not every foot can fit every shoe. And that's not rejection. That's divine precision. Now these shoes were made for my storms, to grip slippery places where others would fall. They were made for my mountain, to endure pressure where others would turn back. They were made for my calling, to carry oil without spilling, to walk through fire without being consumed, and to move through uncertainty without losing direction. And yes, they were shaped by my circumstances. Every hardship stretched them. Every delay softened them. Every breaking moment strengthened their structure. What felt like pressure was actually preparation. What felt like restriction was actually alignment. What felt like loss was actually God whispering, I am still fitting you for where you are going. So now, I walk differently, not comparing, not shrinking, not apologizing for the path beneath me. Because I understand something now. If God gave me these shoes, then He also graced me to walk in them. If He designed them for me, then He already accounted for every step I would need to take. So I won't trade them. I won't abandon them. I won't despise the road that shaped them. I will walk, even when it's slow, even when it's painful, and even when no one else understands. Because these shoes, they know the way. And one day, when I reach the place He intended, I will look back and realize every step fit, every road mattered, and every moment molded me. And the shoes I once questioned were the very things that carried me into destiny. God bless.